this week we're celebrating that 1 year ago this week we launched our beard butters onto the market. This was at the Let It Grow event in Coventry, and we took some down to give to the raffle in aid of the Zoe's Place charity, and it was a fantastic event. So we're celebrating the 1 year anniversary of our beard butter launch. So I thought I'd tell you a little bit about our beard butters, what's in them, what they do, and answer a couple of questions that I get asked on a regular basis. So, what's in our beard butter? Well, we've got 3 butters in there, and we've got 3 carrier oils. The butters are shea butter, mango butter, and avocado butter. And the carrier oils are argan oil, grapeseed oil, and jojoba oil. Now you can find the grapeseed, argan oil and jojoba oil in every product in the premium range, and you can also find the mango butter and the shea butter in our balm as well. The only thing you won't find in any other is the avocado butter. We've added this in because it's a fantastic moisturizer. It's really creamy to use and it just blends together so nicely with the other ingredients. We whipped our beard butter, so it's a nice whipped consistency. That just melts down nicely and you can apply it straight into your beard, and it is absolutely fantastic. It will leave your beard feeling really soft. You can apply this at night or in the daytime. It's not just a nighttime product. We market our beard butters to be used at any time you like. If you wake up and you want a soft beard, you want your beard to feel nice, stick in the beard butter. It's not just for at night time. I often wear it instead of a beard oil now. Which leads me on to my next question. I get asked an awful lot, Jamie, do I need to use a beard oil before I use the beard butter? And the simple answer is no. This product contains grapeseed oil, argan oil and jojoba oil, which is exactly what our premium range oil contains. So everything you get out of your premium range oil, you get that and more in this product. So no, you do not have to load up with a beard oil and then put in a beard butter. Every single OP's product is a standalone product which you can use, which you do not have to use in conjunction with anything else. This product right here is our sherbet lemon. We also do the barista, which is a coffee and vanilla. We do the El Coco, which is coconut and vanilla. And we do our raw unscented for the guys that just fancy not having a scent in their beard, or if you've got an awesome cologne that you like to wear that you don't want to clash with your beard scent, stick in the raw unscented and then you'll be able to smell your cologne all day long whilst having a super soft beard. If you've tried our beard butter, let us know what you think of it in the comments section. If you haven't tried it, why not try it now? You can use our exclusive BEARDCLUB approved partner discount code, which is BEARDCLUB10, all caps. That'll give you 10% off your order. Take care, guys. If you've got any questions, again, drop them in the comments section. I'm on the club all the time, so I'll get back to them pretty much straight away. Take care, guys. See you next week.